Hello, I'm Gunjan Handa and this is Chronicle Explained. Today we are covering the snap German federal elections that are set for February 23rd, 2025. What led to this unexpected vote? Who are the main contenders? And more importantly, what are the key issues at stake for Europe's largest economy? And crucially, what does it mean for the world stage?
Abgelesene Empörung über den Oppositions.
Originally scheduled for September 2025, this election was moved forward due to the collapse of the governing coalition late last year. Chancellor Olaf Scholz's coalition, comprised of the SPD, Greens, and FDP, fractured over irreconcilable differences on key budgetary issues, particularly adherence to the debt brake. A key event hastening this demise was a federal constitutional court ruling that restricted fiscal leeway. This led to a motion of confidence, the dissolution of the Bundestag, and the calling of snap elections. The main contenders are Friedrich Merz of the centre-right Christian Democratic Union, which is currently leading in the polls. The far-right Alternative for Germany, AfD, led by Alice Weidel, is polling second. The governing Social Democratic Party or SPD, led by Olaf Scholz and the Greens, with Robert Habeck as a prominent figure, are following behind. It remains to be seen if Die Linke, the BSW and FDP will also make it to Bundestag. The central themes in this election are managing immigration and revitalizing Germany's economy. Illegal immigration has emerged as an important issue in the run-up to the vote. Germany's economy has faced a downturn due to soaring energy costs and competition. A series of violent incidents has intensified calls for reforming immigration and asylum policies, simultaneously increasing support for the AfD. Germany uses a mixed member proportional representation system. Voters cast two ballots, the first for a direct candidate and in their constituency, and the second for a political party. The second vote determines the relative strength of the parties in the Bundestag. The proportional electoral system requires parties to clear a 5% hurdle to secure seats. The election is unlikely to produce an outright majority for any single party. The CDU-CSU under Friedrich Merz will likely need to form a coalition with one or more other parties. The rise of AfD poses a challenge to traditional coalition building. Possible political constellations include the CDU-CSU forming a coalition with the SPD, Greens, or possibly the FDP. A coalition between CDU and AfD, BSW and or Die Linke has been ruled out categorically by Mr. Merz. This election isn't just about the domestic issues. It's a turning point for European integration. Germany's vote will resonate far beyond its borders. The elections will influence the EU's role in global power dynamics, tackling the climate crisis, managing relationships with China, and confronting the rise of populism worldwide. The next government will also need to navigate strained relations with the US, the ongoing war in Ukraine, and Germany's foreign and security policy. This German election is pivotal with significant implications for both domestic policy and Europe as a whole. The new government's direction on economic policy, immigration and climate change will significantly impact the EU's ability to address these challenges. Follow along with the Asian Chronicle for more updates.